Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to secure in-house signed documents using passwords. I'm currently in the console of the Inhouz Cloud platform. To get into Inhouse Sign, all you need to do is click on the Inhouse Sign menu. So there are a few things you need to know about documents. Documents can be created using templates, and documents can be created without templates. Regardless of which workflow you go with, security configurations using in-house firewall are available in both scenarios. So I just jumped into a template called test proposal. If I jump into my security configurations tab, I see a widget that just tells me to turn on access restriction. When this is turned on, I could basically turn on password restrictions. So when you are in the password restriction mode, there are two restriction types, which is basic and user assigned password. So if you choose the basic password, this is less secure. You would have to provide a static password that everyone has to have. But if you use the user assigned password, the user will be sent a passcode to their email, similar to how two-factor authentication would work. So whenever you were using security configurations in an in-house signed template, those will automatically port over to an in-house signed document. And yes, you can override it in your in-house signed document. You can change your security configurations and maybe go away from what you have in your templates. So before we move any further, you're going to see this user interface a lot. You're going to see it in subscription management. You're going to see it in in-house payments. You're going to see it in different modules. This security module is called the in-house firewall, and it's our easy to use configurable security system. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and exit out of here and just go back to my documents tab, create a document. I'm just going to call this test proposal YY1, just a random name. We are going to use the templates. We're going to use our test proposal template. I'm going to go into the recipients. I'm just going to pick myself. And I'm going to just leave this as is. And I'm going to use the user assigned password. And I'm going to go ahead and send my document. Okay, so as you can see, the document has been sent and received. If I pull this into the screen, you can see that I've received a document called test proposal YY1. If I view this document, I immediately get prompted to sign in, and this is because this document, if I go into it from the Inhouz Cloud portal, this document requires me to have sign in using a user assigned password. So I'm going to go ahead and provide my email. Now what's going to happen here is that it's going to validate against the actual documents to see if I'm a valid recipient. And if I'm a recipient, the system is going to send me a passcode. All right, so as you can see here, I've been sent an access code. I'm going to copy over that access code, paste it over here. And just like that, I now have access to my application. If this was the basic password, perhaps you would send that to your recipient and they would basically just put that in to the password slot and gain access to the application or to the e-signature application. All right, I can go ahead and accept the terms, adopt and sign, and complete the transaction. All right, that's it for this video on securing Inhouz Cloud documents using the password. See you in the next one.